Hey folks, I found something interesting at Randall's grocery store. It's part of the Safeway Albertsons family. And I'd never seen it before, never even heard of it. It's called Avocado Bread. Yes. And it contains seeds and grains, and it's made with avocado or guacamole spices in a bread. So I thought immediately this would make an ultimate avocado toast. Now I've never made nor have ever had avocado toast, and I know it's a big thing. So I saw this and I immediately wanted to try to make the ultimate avocado toast. And let me just grab. That's what it looks like. It's got a greenish color to it, and you can definitely see all the grains and everything in there. Let's make some avocado toast and see if it's any good. So here's how I'm going to make it, and then come back and I'll give it a taste. I'm just going to prepare this avocado. I'm just going to mash it up. I'm not going to put any seasonings. Normally I would put some salt and some lime juice, but because of what I'm doing with this today with the avocado toast, I'm just going to use avocado. And I love using this little gadget. It just makes it so much easier to get perfect slices of avocado and get it right out of the shell. It's a lot safer than using a knife. And then you just want to mash it up roughly. I want it to be a little chunky. That's perfect. That's exactly what I'm looking for. The star of our show, the avocado bread. So I'm just going to toast up a slice of this. And boom. Get a nice toasted slice of avocado bread. Okay, let's put this together. Okay, I'm gonna put down a layer of this spreadable Irish butter. I picked this up at Aldi, and it is incredible. It is such a flavorful spreadable butter. That's right out of the refrigerator. See how easy that spreads? Get it coated out really good. Get a little bit of butter everywhere. It is toast, you know. Okay, let's add our mashed avocado. Now this is a large avocado. You'll be able to make 2 slices of avocado toast with this, and this is a generous serving of avocado on each slice, which is really good. It looks about right to me. Okay, my favorite seasoning. Bagel Not Included, or everything but the bagel. This is my secret weapon seasoning when I don't know what to do with something. I'll add the Bagel Not Included. And just give it a sprinkle, and let's taste it. Pretty simple to make, right? Let's give it a taste. That's what it looks like up close. I gotta admit, I've never made or had avocado toast. It looks good. It really does deserve another bite. Wow. That is really good. I have to say, that avocado bread is really, really good. And especially with the avocado, the mashed avocado on top, and that Irish butter on the toast, and then that sprinkle of everything but the bagel. Oh, this is like the perfect breakfast for sure. I'm glad I picked this up. I thought this was going to be kind of a, but it's legit. This is good stuff. And that being said, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to finish my avocado toast. Thanks for watching.